I don't know why that poison here. Nobody likes that kind of. It's frightening.
I always put it away and somebody pulls it back out.
Unless I'm not scared of it still. Because you can't
hear it.
Like, no, I mean it. I just hate it. I hate everything.
This is the girl's room and that's the boy's room. Oh my god. Two separated. Yep. I all love that. How we learn. We separate ourselves from each other. Why? Hey, buddy. Oh, you're sweet. Bacon. I had a feeling this would be a cat who was huge. Yeah? Yeah.
Please just smack her gently.
What? It's on camera too.
I don't know when they think they have it under their paw, they're like, oh, and then they carefully sneak their paw up in it. There's nothing there. Hey, Burger. So he's like, what just happened? Oh man.
Get out of here.
Burger is seriously defending the dog. My dog, somebody stay away from my dog.
I know, right? Life ain't right after this job, so yeah. Actually, my more cleaning attire.
After you just stuck your toes in the class, all the way around. Poor little dog.
Yeah.
Especially when they're younger, like
Yeah.
I'm sure that's what's going on.
No, they all do different ways. So it's supposed to finger, supposed to glue.
Female cats?
Different too, and there's a ton of cats that's like.
Yeah. But like seriously, you could have